One of the things that's been a topic of conversation in a lot of conversations I've had recently is the question about lubrication or oiling the spindle shaft on the MDF Rose engine and many other Rose engines, quite frankly. And I wanted to make it easier to do than to take it apart all of the time. So what I've implemented here are two cups. There's one here and for the outside, and then one here for the inside bushings. And there's a tube that goes into the area here about a 45 degree, and then there's a small hole drilled into the bushing to enable that to be fed into there. And all you would do is that you would just take the cap off, add a couple of drops of oil, and then put the cap back on to keep it from getting dirt inside there, and you go about your business. If for some reason you over lubricated, one of the things I've implemented is a tray here, and then there's a second tray here, so that any oil that would come out of that bushing doesn't fall onto the stepper motor here and potentially cause a fire. You'll also notice that I added a few logo pieces here, and that's because when I got these made, or we got these made, and Jack got the guy to do the work, he had them cut MDF Rose Engine up here in 2.0. Well, the oilers covered up part of that, and it just didn't look pretty, so I had to add a logo label here and then the 2.0, and then to keep it balanced, had to add one on this side, which just added that so that if it ever gets stolen, I can say, yes, it's mine. I can see my name there. Not that anybody couldn't take it off. So that's what they are. They're oilers just to lubricate the spindle, and the drawings will soon be on the MDF Rose Engine 2.0 library. Thanks. Bye-bye.